We're going to be doing the Napa Chicken salad. It goes on a croissant, all right? Slice the croissant in half. I like to just put it on the grill. 30 seconds. There. You just want a little color, not a lot. You don't want to burn it. And you don't have to put oil because there's butter in the croissant. It'll automatically cook it with the proper lubrication. Baby greens anyway, right? No, it doesn't say.
What are you putting on there, Sam?
Baby greens go on the bottom. You're going to put a 4-ounce scoop.
Scoop.
So the salad is tossed in with the grapes already?
Yeah, it comes already tossed from the commissary. It's supposed to. And the croissants, when you cut them, make sure you're gentle and you let the knife do the cutting, all right? And then we're going to plate it.
Cut that straight across, knowing